Hey guys, today we are looking at Betscoin AI. This is a new project with their pre-sale that is live at the moment, and this is a token that represents an amalgamation of gaming industry and artificial intelligence. And we're going to talk details of this project. We'll take a look at their pre-sale as well. We'll see the potential that it has, and we're going to take a look at their tokenomics and what they have planned for the future. So make sure that you stick around till the end. Now, as always, it's not a financial advice. It's not an investment advice. I'm not asking you guys to take part in the pre-sale. That is a decision that you have to make on your own after you do your own research on it. Make sure that you do that. Now, if you take a look at the website, it says that it leads sports betting and other games through artificial intelligence. Now, initially, from what I know, is it was called, I think, Betscoin Net. There was a different domain, and then they introduced artificial intelligence in it, and that's how it changed to Betscoin AI. So now it has artificial intelligence that will be integrated, that will be utilized in it, which opens it to multiple possibilities that we can expect to happen in the future. For now, what we know is both of these industries are huge. The gaming industry and the artificial intelligence industry, they get decent exposure from investors. They get decent interest from investors and other people. So both of these industries are huge, and this represents both of those markets. Now, it says that they are committed to providing you with a cutting-edge gaming experience that goes beyond. Now, they have their Telegram bot, which is linked right here, so you can take a look at it, which will be linked in the description as well, so you can check it from there. Now, what they have at the moment is, first of all, their Telegram bot, which it says their platform is built on cutting-edge technology, which ensures lightning-fast transaction real-time. They have mobile app support, and then we have the Betscoin P2P payment platform, which will be ready for use in the near future. We have API integration, so all gaming platforms, they will be able to join them. They will be able to collaborate and do partnerships with them using this. We do have their tokenomics, and then we have their roadmap. Now, we have the pre-sale, like I mentioned before. We do have their pre-sale live at the moment. Now, you guys have to realize the risk that are associated with pre-sales. This is a high risk, high reward situation, and no one can give their word how it's going to turn out. So that's the risk people take when they take part in the pre-sale. The best you can do is do maximum research on before you take part in any pre-sale. And when you do your proper research, in most cases you are able to catch if something is wrong. So you have to do that for every project, for every pre-sale that you're interested in, and do not go for the words of people or influencers. So make sure that you do that. Now, we do have their pre-sale live, and you can connect your wallet. You can purchase these tokens using BNB. So you get this amount right here. And we also have their staking feature. So once you have the tokens, you can also stake them for a period, and you can get returns from there. And once you have connected your wallet, you will also get your referral link, so you can invite people and you can earn through that as well. And then we have their roadmap, which outlines what we have coming next. But I think at the moment, what's more important is their tokenomics. So this is the token name. The token symbol is BETC. The token supply is about 10 billion with 1% burn. The initial price in the pre-sale is going to be 0.0000325 BNB, which is about 0.00185. And here's how the total supply is distributed. We do have vesting. So we have 11.87% for team advisors. After 12 months, it's distributed over 36 months. And then we have 29.44% for ecosystem, which after 2 months will be distributed over 24 months. We have staking rewards. So 6 months stake, we get 29% annually. For 12 months stake, we get 51%. For 24 months stake, we get 60%, and for 48 months, we get 73%. That is, all of this is annually. So the more, if you go for a higher period, of course, you're going to get more ROI. That's something very understandable. Now, if you take a look at their Twitter, they have about 8,000, almost 9,000 followers. So it's growing pretty fast. this is the announcement of the pre-sale going live, and you'll get more details right here, all the announcements. And this is them introducing the Telegram bot, and this is where they announced that they're transforming the project into an artificial intelligence system under this name. And it says this project will be the first of its kind in the world. There will be more information about it. So make sure that you follow them on Twitter. You check out their Telegram bot. If you have any question, I think it'll be better if you ask them first, because they'll be able to answer it much better than I'll be able to, or anyone else will be able to. So make sure that you do your due diligence. If you have questions, make sure that you ask them. And this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.